Hello everyone and welcome to the NetFortris tutorial on configuring your scheduler and call menus to implement these schedules. Today we'll be going over how to create the schedules for your business hours and holidays and how to place them into the call menu so they actually take effect. One thing to keep in mind is simply creating the scheduler itself does nothing until you put it into your call routing logic. And the first thing you'll want to do is sign into the web admin panel at cp.fonality.com and log in with your admin credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to go to the auto answer edit call menu for the call menu setup and auto answer scheduler so we can set up the actual schedules. So the first thing we will want to do is set up the schedules, and we have two types. We have the weekday schedules and calendar ones. So weekday is essentially to set up your business hours, say Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You can also do individual days if you wish. Just do Monday through Monday, and then add the subsequent days, Tuesday to Tuesday, Wednesday to Wednesday, and so on. If it's Monday through Friday, makes life easier. So it's 9 to 5, and you'll see we have a Saturday business hours of 9 to 8. Now let's create one for Sunday. We'll call that Sunday. That's Sunday hours. And weekday, Sunday to Sunday, it's already selected, and we'll be open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. I want to click on Apply All Changes. That'll add the schedule for us. There it is. And now let's do a holiday, and for that we'll want to do a calendar date. Keeping in mind that some holidays change every year, so you'll have to come into the scheduler once a year at least and update any of those dates that may change. The ones that don't change, of course, make life easy, stuff like New Year's and Independence Day. We'll be setting one up for Memorial Day. So I'll add the name and description here, and for the calendar type. And now we're going to pick the Memorial Day for May, and that's going to be 31st. And we'll say we're going to be closed for the whole day. So I'm going to start at 8 a.m. and we're going to be closed May 31st all the way to 11 p.m. Now you could get pretty granular about this and start it at midnight and end it at 11:59. But as long as it is greater than your business hours, it'll send your calls to wherever you like. Now we're going to click on Apply All Changes. And we'll see Memorial Day is added here. Okay, so once you've created all the dates that you want, we'll go to the Edit Call menu. And here's where all the calls will originate to. Now, if you have any steps like route by number dialed as in step number 2, or when in night mode steps, number 3, you want to add the holidays after these, and then your business hours, and then you're closed. So it basically comes in order, 1, 2, 3. If it matches any one of these, it'll do that action without proceeding to the other steps. So once you get that concept down, it's not too hard to understand how you want to place these. So for example, here, we're going to be placing it after step number 3, and we'll be adding steps route by schedule. So go to submenu or extension by schedule, apply all changes, and that'll add it here. And we want to go to holiday. Now you could search for it or type it in, holiday during Memorial Day here. Now, essentially, we'll be adding a step for each one of these holidays here, and then it'll say go to open during business hours and go to closed if none of these match. So now I've made that step and updated it. Let's click Apply All Changes. And you'll see these values have been confirmed here. So once that's done, you're essentially completed by adding that step. Now we created a Saturday and a Sunday business hours. I'll show you how to add those. So those would appear after the holidays. Go to open during business hours. Now we'll say so go add it after step 6. Go to submenu or extension by schedule, apply all changes. And we'll want to send these to open or business hours during, I could say Sunday or Saturday as well. We'll say Saturday here. Add it. And there it is. Now you could be a power user, and I could have said after step 7, add a new step, as well as applying the changes that I've made. So we'll add that last one, open during Sundays. So if I want to add another holiday here, this will help you if you're adding a lot of steps. So I'll do one last one. Go to holiday during, say, 4th of July. Now, one last apply all changes to confirm everything. And there we have it. Now you have calls that will go here unaffected by any of the holiday schedules, my 24/7 support line, my night mode, just in case I want to close the business for whatever reason. And then it'll check what holidays, go to holiday during those, what business hours may be applicable, send them to open. And if none of those match, go to my closed after hours menu. And that'll do it. If you have any questions, of course, you could contact our support team 24/7. And otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day.